One of the beauties of working with a language such as Python is that it's packaged up with a library of what we call modules. Now, modules are essentially pre-written code that we can then ask for. We can then interface with. Take a look. Open in front of you, I've got the python.org page, but I'm on a very specific page here. This is the Python module index. Now, packaged up within the Python language are several. You can take a look here. I can scroll through. There's got to be a couple hundred modules or essentially packages of code that we can then interface with within our projects. It's all free for you to use. All you need to do is import a module into your project, and then you gain access to anything that that module contains. As an example, so looking at this page, I'll do a quick search. I'm just going to hit Control F on my keyboard, and I'm going to go search for math. All right, looks like it found 5 occurrences of the term math inside there. First one it found is CMath. Now this is the mathematical functions for complex numbers. Now I'm going to keep going here. Math. Okay, here's just math. It's underneath the M category. So there's mathematical functions, sine, etc. There is just a library within this math module of different functions, math-related functions, that we can then utilize within our programs as we program with Python. Now, the next few videos here, we're going to go through a couple different types of libraries, just these default libraries that are available to you. Again, all you need to do is import it into your project, and then you get access to it. So we're going to take a look at a couple here. We'll also take a look at how you can create your own modules, place your own functions within there, and then utilize that as well within your code. The idea is I don't want to have to reprogram something and over again and recode it every time I need to use it. Create it once, store it in a module, and then you can get access to that anytime within your project. So reuse, reuse, reuse. So get ready for this next section. We're going to get in there all about modules.